Hi, today we are gonna solve the maximum depth of tree. And so here is the question. And as you can see, we needed to check the maximum depth from the root node. And so let's see this example. And we are checking the first node and then go to the left. And then we found another child node here. After that, there are no childrens from node 9, and so as a result, this would be like the depth of left node is 2. So, and we also need to check the right node, and so that checking 20, node 20, and node 15 as a result, depth of the right node is 3, right? So after that, we need to calculate max left node depths, right node depths, right? But if you see that when we check the next child, the depth of value is 1, and then here is 2. But we should add another 1 after the OD calculation of node depths. And so as a result, we need to add 1 here. So this would be the maximum depth. So to solve this problem, you are gonna use recursive DFS functions. So each DFS function will take left node and right node. Eventually, it will return the maximum value as a maximum depth of this binary tree. So let's define the function DFS inside of the max depth value. And so the parameter would be node, which is the same type of root value parameters here. And so what is the return type? Is int values, which will return the depth of the node. And so what is a base case? Because this is a recursive function, so it should have the basic condition that always return a value. So we will check if node is nil, it will return 0. And so if node is not nil, in this case, we need to iterate recursively call this function to calculate the depth of the child of this node. And so it will return the max value, which is we are gonna calculate the left side and right side, right? And so this one would be left depth, and another one is a right depth, and then we need to add 1 to return the correct the depth of the node. So let's define the left depth. Left depth means that we are gonna make 2 iterations because of a binary tree has 2 children, right? And so left depth means we are gonna calculate the depth of the left child, and so in this case we are gonna recall DFS function with the left node, and then we are gonna make another call for the right node like this. So as a result, we just call the DFS function with the root parameters and let's run. Okay, it works. If you like my video, please subscribe and like, and I will create more videos how to solve LeetCode problem more and more. Thank you.